Frequency polygons show the shape of distributions, and you can graphically compare distributions. So in this example, we're looking at the frequency, or the number of people that have scored between 0 and 4 marks, 5 and 9 marks, 10 and 14 marks, and 15 and 19 marks. So how do we draw this as a graph? All you're going to do is take the middle number. So between 0 and 4, the middle number here is 2. And on our y-axis, it's going to be 4. Do the same for this. That's going to be 7 and 7. That's going to be 12 and 10. And this is going to be 17 and 5. We now have our 4 coordinates, so we're ready to draw. So let's now take our points. We've got 2 and 4, which is here. We've got 7 and 7, which is here. We've got 12 and 10, which is there. And finally, we have 17 and 5, which is here. Now, normally you should use a ruler to do this, but it is a straight line between each point. So that goes like this, and that goes like that. That should be straight. Obviously, it's not. But that's your frequency polygon. You do not put a 0 up to here. You do not round this off anywhere, and make sure that these are not curved in any way. So it's pretty straightforward. The crux of it, though, is you must remember that you're looking at the middle point between the range of numbers that you're dealing with. And there we go. You know how to draw frequency polygons.